So in my last shave video for a minute, today a couple things I'm trying. I got to hone another Riga that in my collection that a 8.8. I hadn't honed this on video yet. It's a little bit bigger than the last one, the other one I had recently. This one here, I got it from somebody that had evidently tried to do away with the slight smile. So I had some correcting to do for it. It took a minute for me to get it to where I liked the performance, and I hadn't shaved with it yet. I was just going off of a peanut or a hair test and my eyes, how I visually want to see the bevel. But we're gonna try that today. And then a buddy of mine sent me a barber home. I've never used a barber home, so I don't know if I'm talking about it or whatever, but I was very interested in it. So when I got it, I unwrapped it today, and I threw a gold dollar on it, old trusty number 5, which is normally better than number 3. But we went ahead and honed it till we had undercut, honed it till we had it was falling in a pack of peanut, okay-ish. Dropped it, and we're gonna go from there. We'll see. I'm just gonna make a pass. I have no interest in shaving with this razor, not when I got a Riga right here, but I want to just see. And granted, how it shaves, I probably could spend some more time on a barber home. And like I said, I don't know nothing about them, so I'm not speaking out of a position of telling you how barber homes perform. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. So just a neat stone to try. So soap is gonna be my deer tallow. One of my, actually that's beef tallow. It's one of my first recipes I got. It's gonna be a Yaki 26 Hot Mountain Badger, and I think they call that, I don't know what they call it, but anyway, it's a decent brush. It's very, very firm for a Badger. I like it. It's a deep set knot. I like it. So we will try a little pre-shave today. As you can see, a few days behind them as I upload videos, but this is at least 2.5 days. I don't remember, to be honest with you. I got back from the beach and I hadn't shaved since. So this video will probably go out. I got a honing video I did today on that razor I sent out. And this will, I don't want them 15 minutes apart, right? So I'm gonna probably skip a few days if I release them. But anyway, today is July 3rd. So I did a honing video today and a shave video. The razors don't correspond, but interesting nonetheless. So here we go. So little rich man, poor man pre-shave. So this is my little storage containers I use for my own personal on my soap. I can travel with them. That's about it. See how it goes. Thirsty soap. So, but I sent Martin some of my soaps. He'll reveal. I'm anxious to see his opinion on. I've had a couple guys I sent out to. I'm a soap hobbyist. I don't sell soaps. I'm not saying one day I won't, but that's not my intention right now. I don't have the time to do it. I am trying to, if I ever do, I'll have one soap I sell, and it's going to be tailored for straight razor shaving. That's my whole goal. Something that is in another level, not geared upon scents and the recurrence of people chasing and buying all my different fragrances. That's never going to happen. I want to make one soap like the rain, one soap that rules them all. And because I don't need to do it for a living, it's just a hobby, I will not ever sell a soap. Not number one, until I have time and I have the desire to do it, until it is absolutely perfect. Okay. This was one of my first, or second recipes. That was my first. It was my first couple made all natural with all tallow and nothing else. And then they were made with all NaOH, which is basically I made all my lye out of cleaning the fireplaces out, cleaning the barbecue pits out, making the hardwood lye, which is not the best way to make a shave soap. But so this was one of my first recipes with a dual lye soap, which I find it's a pretty decent performer. So here we go. This is the Riga 88 that is hung on my big cockle. So I got a lot of growth, and you know, I'm sure you've heard me talk about how, other than a wedge, when I got more than a couple days growth, I feel the razor. This here is probably half hollow and better, but it's a man. It's I wouldn't call it a near wedge, but half hollow is probably fair. But it's a man, and it does plow through head whiskers. They're made in Latvia. I got Korat, I got Collins. Collins is my make no bones, that's my favorite razor. But right after Collins, now I am very impressed with that Razor I have. But I rather these razors than the Korat as well. So this son on here is a dog. Real good first pass. No complaints from me. All right. And I am kind of partial to my soap. Well, Leon put a new video out today. Just got finished watching it. Ooh, he was excited. He had me giggling. With a good reason. All right. The video I shot today with home video was another where I did the super curve with the 4 foot and the 6 foot wheel. That's not how this razor is honed. It's a little thick for me to do it with on convex. Razors like this and my wedge will probably never get convex, but most of my gold dollars are, and it has up not only their performance but how long they last. They're kind of a thick razor with shit steel. All right, so you gotta be aware that not all of them work. There's been many people that, I say, man, there's been a few that tried to convex them, and
because of how shitty the steel is, had issues. I thought I got myself right there with that sideways path. Well, I ain't got back home from Florida, so I mailed off a 200 subscriber winner package. I hope you enjoy it. I think I got everything in there for you to get started. And how awesome is that? Is the guy who won it is not really experienced. Sure, he's a shaver. He's got a lot of experience with the shave head, but he's a guy that hadn't got his equipment line out, so good thing. I mean, I enjoy the fact that, you know, maybe we're getting him started with some equipment that'll and a hobby that'll just grow. You know, he's a young man, and we need more young men interested in the hobby. I'm a proponent of that. I think guys like Sean Staplefield. You know, I got a lot of us us guys that are 50 plus, but the way the younger generation is more responsible, sustainability, to me it's a natural evolution to go back, right? Get rid of those cartridge razors. I mean, I'd be settled for them just going to DE, but I think curiosity will eventually get most of those guys to straight razors. All right. Last pass against the grain so far, excellent. Just one of those 8K cotty edges, as they like to say. You know, humble little cotty. This thing here's on point. 8K my ass. Woo! That was close. Thank goodness I got floppy earlobes and they don't stay stationary. I've never got myself like that before. And that Spanish tip, or French tip, whatever tip they are, that's what I got is they don't play. So, I think I've said it before in videos, my comfort zone is a 6/8, right? I like these big razors and I keep trying to practice with them, because if I'm gonna get a custom, I'm gonna get, I do have a couple 6/8 customs, but generally I'm gonna go with a 7/8, and in this case, this is a used razor, so I got an 8/8. If I'm gonna buy a new razor, it's probably not gonna be 8/8, because that's more than what I like to wield in battle. To each his own, hey. Well, back to razors. At Ralph House, that's an impressive razor. I like that thing too. It's another one I put over my Horat. Just against the grain, On point, on point. So what we're gonna do here, we'll go with I ain't got no alum out, so we won't do alum. We'll do witch hazel. Been trying to get back in the habit of doing alum. It's really good product. Do a little menthol in that witch hazel. So, the Texan shaves, Barry, if you're watching, I told you when you was doing your series on Sense of Our Fathers, I was gonna hunt down Chaps. I was able to find it. So Ralph Lauren no longer sells this. Discontinued because it was having a bad problem of guys our age using it and younger ladies attacking us in the street. So just on a pure safety standpoint for the human race, they banned it. So this was dark web stuff. I had to get this right here. I mean, you may not see me after this video if you're using it. Man, it brings back some memories. Chaps. I'm gonna go for another round. How about that? So, either the government will get me, or I may get attacked in the street. Who knows? But excellent aftershave, excellent scent. Somebody, one of you artisans with more time than me and way smarter than me on them scents, you need to make a soap. Chaps, right? Or Stetson, or something old school, back when men were men and sheep ran scared. Some of that 80s Western homage aftershaves. So anyway, it was fun. It was one of my last shaves for a while, probably be a couple weeks or so before I put one up. Appreciate you joining me. This is Eric, my channel Cajun Blade. And look, go look on YouTube for a lot of the guys who are doing real good with honing and straight razor shaving right now. You know, Joe with Supple Arts Soap Company, Bama Boy Shaves. He has a Davo and he can yield it with the best of them. And then Leon, the long haul tanker, and Martin Test Shaves. Of course, if you're into straight razor shaves, I mean, you got to know their channels. And Greg Gallant, a master tactician with the stones, and a young guy who's really doing good is Stephen Stubblefield, and who else? Dapper Shaves, of course. Dapper hadn't loaded nothing in a while, but he's a a home master. I mean, he's a guy knows what he's doing. He's got some beautiful iron, great razors, good stones. Go check out some of his content. Good time to be interested in this right now. Got a lot of good content out there. Jared the Spirit Shave, he puts out some good stuff. And then of course, our super curve mentor, Bill M. Very entertaining. Bill, he's one of my favorites. So check him out, and don't tell him Eric sent you. I don't want no responsibility for that, So anyway, see y'all later, and appreciate y'all joining me. This is Eric, Cajun Blade, and I'm out.